How to switch Instagram professional account. So to do that, now all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, now go and tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now go to the settings and privacy. Now tap on the scroll to down, and tap on this section which says account type and tools. This one, account type and tools. After you open this account type and tools, now tap on this section, switch to professional account. After you open this, now tap on this continue button, continue again. After you finish typing on this continue, in this section, now select the one that you want. For me, I will just go with this blogger. You can select anyone and tap on this next button. So choose one of this option, other business or creator. So for me, I'll just go with this creator and tap on this next again and tap on this not now. So now tap on this cancel button. It will take you to your profile like this. Now refresh your profile like this. So as you can see now in this session, it says professional dashboard. So that's it guys on how to switch your Instagram account to professional. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching guys.